This tutorial will walk you through the process of requesting enrollment in the Expeditionary Warfare School or Command Staff College Distance Education programs on MarineNet. The College of Distance Education and Training academic year runs from September to May. During this time, Command Staff College Distance Education program students can join seminars in September, while the Expeditionary Warfare School Distance Education Program seminar is offered twice a year, with users able to join seminars in September and February. It's important to note that courses must be taken in sequence, so new students cannot join mid-semester or mid-year. To be eligible to enroll in the EWS DEP seminar, users must first complete and pass the EWS DEP prerequisite course. A link to the video on how to request enrollment in and access the EWS DEP prerequisite course is provided in the description below. The personnel eligible to participate in the Expeditionary Warfare School or Command Staff College Distance Education programs are listed below in order of priority. Marine Corps staff non-commissioned officers that meet the listed grade requirements can submit a staff NCO waiver package through their regional director's office, so long as they are PME complete for grade. A link to the CDOT website where users can find information on open enrollment, seminar schedules, and the region's contact information is provided in the description below. During the enrollment process for the Expeditionary Warfare School or Command Staff College Distance Education programs, users must select a PME region. This will determine where your request is sent and from whom you will receive support. Pay particular attention when selecting a region from the PME map, as specific commands and geographic locations are listed in bullets under each region. For example, a user stationed in Australia will see that Australia is listed under Hawaii, rather than under Oconus. Users stationed in Japan would select the Okinawa region. Users deployed should select the region of their home base or station, not their deployed location. For more information regarding the Expeditionary Warfare School or Command Staff College Distance Education programs, you can visit the EWS DEP and CSC DEP pages on the Marine Corps University website. A link to these pages is provided in the description below. To locate a course or curriculum, click on the catalog link located at the top of any MarineNet page. Click the search box at the top of the page and enter the name or code of the curriculum and press enter. For the EWS DEP seminar, the curriculum code is 8670AZ-SE-M0. For the Command Staff College Distance Education Program seminar, the curriculum code is 8900ZZ0000. Once the curriculum pulls up, click on the View link in the tile. To view your eligibility to enroll, see the green or red text under the eligibility section. Users who receive red text on the eligibility section of a course can submit a trouble ticket using the Submit Trouble Ticket button or contact the help desk at 888-435-8762, option 2, if they believe there may be an error with their account or if they require further information regarding eligibility. Click the Request Enrollment button. Verify and confirm your preferred address to ensure your diploma will be shipped to your preferred location. Ensure your preferred email address is spelled correctly and up to date. Communication between the instructor and student will primarily occur through the student's preferred email address. We recommend using a civilian email address to prevent issues with sending or receiving information regarding enrollment. Complete the Confirm Seminar Location Preference section to indicate your preference for the location you want to take the seminar. Complete the Confirm Region section to select a PME region if you do not presently have one. Select the region closest to your home base or station from the drop-down field, or click the appropriate location on the map. Again, please pay special attention when selecting a region. Some regions may cover areas not included on the map. Review the information listed below each region to ensure the correct region is selected. You will be immediately added as a member of the selected region. If there is a need for you to change regions, select a new region from the drop-down field for the map to initiate a region transfer. The region transfer will be completed when the enrollment request has been approved. Click Confirm Info and request enrollment. Fill in all boxes that have an asterisk and complete the justification section. Please provide a reason why you are choosing the location and method of instruction, online or on-site, and why you are choosing to take your PME at this time. For example, online seminars are restricted for students who are not able to attend on-site seminars. Attach any files if needed, then click the Submit button when finished. Once the request is submitted, a success message will be displayed, and your request will go to your selected regional office for review. Users will want to keep track of their request by monitoring the MarineNet notifications, email, and the comments section within the request. Users will receive a MarineNet notification anytime a comment is made, action is requested, or there is an update to the status of the request. Users can access their MarineNet notifications by clicking on the bell icon at the top of the page. The easiest way for users to determine the status of their request is to access the comments section within the request. To access the comments section within a request, click the My Learning link located at the top of any MarineNet page. Then click on Forms and Requests. This will bring you to the My Forms and Requests page. You should see your active requests populate below. Open the request by clicking the hyperlink under the Type category. Once open, scroll down until you see the Request Comments dropdown. Click on the dropdown to view the comment section. If you need to make changes to your request, you can find a link to our video on how to edit and modify submitted requests in the description listed below. Once your enrollment request has been approved or denied, you will receive a MarineNet notification based on your notification preference. If you have not received any notifications regarding your request, we suggest users verify their preferred email address, check their notification settings, and see the comments section within the request. This concludes the tutorial on how to enroll in the Expeditionary Warfare School or Command Staff College Distance Education programs. Additional information, such as seminar schedules, regional contact information, and seminar locations can be found on the CDET website.